Start. Good morning, student. I am studying Thomas Cook Academy here. Here, I explained you something in June classes, but because of the network problem, hey, I am again going to make video. You follow this video and this coordinate geometry chapter. And first of all, the coordinate geometry chapter based on graph paper. So you have to draw or to give the answer of this chapter on the graph paper itself. Clear? So what do you draw? First you draw the two lines. Intersecting point is known as the origin, and right to the origin is known as positive x-axis, and above the origin is known as positive y-axis. Left to the origin is known as negative x-axis, and below the origin is known as negative y-axis. Okay? Now, when you will see the graph paper, one house, two house, three house, four house, and one house divided into 10 small division. Okay? Since next house divided again in 10 small division, and this again in both the sides, means y-axis also as well as the x-axis also. So one house, two house, three house, and each house divided into 10 small division. One house, two house, three house, one house, two house, three house. So one house, suppose this is one. I am considering here one. One, next two, three, four. Here positive y. So one, two, three. Negative x. So minus one, minus two, minus three. Negative y, minus one, minus two, minus three. It. X-axis also known as abscissa, abscissa. So in question, either it will be written abscissa or it will be written x-axis. Y-axis also known as ordinate, O-R-D-I-N-A-T-E, ordinate. So either it will be mentioned in the question abscissa or ordinate. So abscissa and ordinate. Now, after plotting this graph, the question together, when we write together the coordinate inside the bracket, say 3, 2. So first point always represent on x-axis and second on y-axis. Once again, first always represent on x-axis, second on y-axis. And together when we write inside the bracket, it is known as coordinate. Together when we write this x-axis and y-axis inside the bracket, then it is known as coordinate. Do you follow? No confusion up to here? Now, question, how the question will come. This point, suppose this example, take an example, this question only, 3, 2 is given. You have to represent it on the graph paper. So first of all, take the graph paper, mark the origin, x-axis, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. Then mark it 2, 1, 2, 3. It depends upon the value given in the question. When the different question will come, I will explain how to mark. So simple question, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now 3 and 2, this coordinate we have to locate on the graph paper. So first point is x-axis, second point is y-axis. Where is 3? On x-axis. This is the 3 on x-axis, and this is the 2 on the y-axis. So intersecting point of x and y-axis, this is the intersecting point. This is this denote 3, 2, 3, 1. So this is the coordinate 3, 2. 8. If given 1, 0, where it will be? Since x-axis is 1, y-axis is 0. So when one coordinate given 0, it means that coordinate will not lie in the quadrant, it will lie on the axis. Now which axis? Since x-axis value given, y coordinate given 0, so this coordinate will lie on x-axis. So here, this is the point 1, 0. If given minus 3, 0, minus 3 x-axis 0 on coordinate 0, so minus 3. This is the point minus 3, 0. 8. If given 0, minus 2, x-axis is 0, y is minus 2. So it will lie on the y-axis, not in the quadrant. Where this is 2, this is 0, minus 2. We follow how to locate the point of the graph paper. So this is the way you have to locate the coordinate on the graph paper. After that, you have to solve the question also. How to solve the question? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, y-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, negative x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, y-axis. Now, suppose this question is given, a figure is drawn. This is triangle ABC, A, B and C. You have to find the coordinate of A, B and C. How will you find? This was given in the question. You have to find the coordinate of A, B and C, all three. How to find? See, B. What is the coordinate of B? So this point lies in the origin. Origin means x coordinate 0, y coordinate also 0. So B coordinate is 0, 0. What about C? This coordinate. This x-axis is 3. Y will be 0. Why? Because this point lies on x-axis only, not on y-axis. So C coordinate will be, x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 0. Next for A. A, how to find? This perpendicular on the x-axis, from here draw perpendicular on y-axis. So what is the x-axis value? X-axis value is 2. What is the y-axis value? Y-axis value is 4. So coordinate of A is 2 and 4. So this way in question given in the diagram itself, you have to find the coordinate. You follow? Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, sorry, plus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now question is 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Any equation written in this form, it always represents a straight line. So general form of a straight line is ax plus by is equal to c. Always represent a straight line. And the question is saying, in place of a there is 2, in place of b there is 3, 3y. 3, in place of c there is 5. Now we have to represent it on the graph. How to represent? First of all, we will find the 3 coordinate of this equation, and that 3 coordinate we have to represent on the graph. How to find? Either you select x or y. Anyone you can select, it depends upon you. I am going to select y. And put the value of y, start from 0. 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. Why this much value? Suppose, if after putting the value of y is equal to 3, x corresponding value is coming fraction, in fraction. We will need that value. Then we will take minus 3. Again, if we have minus 3, if corresponding value of x is coming in fraction, again we will leave. Then we will go next. Okay. So how to find this question? 2x. First we take y 0. 3 into 0 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Where is 2.5? 2 and 3. The midway. This is 2.5. So x value is coming 2.5 when y is 0. This is one of the concepts. We are getting x value 2.5 when y is 0. Now we will take next value. 2x. 3. Y value 1 into 1 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. X is equal to 2 by 2. So the 1. So x is coming 1 when y is also 1. X value coming 1 when y we put value of y 1. Now third coordinate. Put minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is equal to 5. 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. So x value is coming 4 when y is minus. Clear? So this way we will find the coordinate, at least 3 coordinates. After finding 3 coordinates, we will plot it on the graph, all the 3 coordinates. So first coordinate 2.5 here and 0. So this is the point. This is 2.5 and 0. Next 1, 1. X axis is 1, y axis is also 1. This is the point. 1, 1. Next 4 minus 1. So 4 here, minus 1 here. So this is the point. This is the point. 4 minus 1. Now 3 point, take the scale and join this one with the help of a scale. This line represents 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So this way we have to represent any equation on the graph paper. I will solve some more question next class. And by using the graph paper, we have to find the value of x and y. You know how to find the value of x and y when 2 equations are given simultaneously. But 2 equations given, we have to find the value of x and y by using graph paper. In next class, I will explain you how to find this. Thank you.